Hello, I'd like to introduce you today to the brand new CQ100 IP phone. The CQ100 is a single line IP phone. I would like to introduce you to the various workings of the phone today as a simple user guide. If we start with the screen here, you can see we do have a missed phone call. We also have a blinking red light. The blinking red light indicates voicemail. I will show you how to access that in just a second. To clear out your missed calls, simply click the history. It will show you who called. If you want to, you can dial that person back. Pressing cancel takes you back to the home screen and your missed calls have gone away. If you would like to go to your directory, you can add entries to your directory if you'd like to keep quick dials. You also can press DND to put the phone on Do Not Disturb. In this case, any calls coming to extension 151 will go directly to voicemail. Moving our way through the buttons here, we have the envelope. That is your voicemail key. If you would like to listen to that voicemail, you simply press that button. It will prompt you for the password, or perhaps based on your setup will take you directly to your voicemail box. Directly below that we have our mute key. If you're in the conference bridge and you'd like to mute yourself and continue to listen on your speaker, simply press the mute key. Followed by the headset key. The CQ100 does have the ability to pair a wired headset. If you have that and you'd like to use the headset as opposed to the handset or the speaker, simply press that button and your headset will work. Next, we have the hold key. In the middle of a conversation, if you need to put the person on hold, simply press that key. When you are done and you'd like to resume speaking to that person, repress that key and that phone call will resume. Below the hold key, you have the redial key. We'll dial the last phone number you called, whether it's an external phone number or if it's a local extension. Then you have your speaker key here. In this case, if you are on the phone call with someone on the handset and you press the speaker key, it will come over your speakers. If you're already on the speakers and you press that again, it will end the phone call. Let me show you a few of the options in the middle of a phone call. Say a phone call comes to this extension. In this case, we have one coming from extension 122 Steve. You can automatically reject this phone call and it will go directly to your voicemail and Steve can leave a voicemail for you. In this case, we do have a missed phone call. Once again, to clear it out, if you click history, you can see the Steve phone call at 10:40, and now we're back. Other options for phone calls that come in would be to forward this. You can forward this directly to another extension. So if you press forward, extension 121, you've just now taken that phone call, redirected it to extension 121. Another option would be then if you decide to answer that phone call. If you decide to answer that phone call, simply pick up the handset and you'll be speaking to that person, or if you want to talk to them over speakers, press answer. You can place them on hold. If you need to speak to them again, you may reserve that conversation. If you need to transfer it, you can press that transfer. The easiest transfer, however, would be pressing more, then the blind transfer. Sending it to extension 121 will automatically send that phone call to extension 121. If you need to transfer a phone call directly to someone's voicemail box, say 121, but you do not want 121's phone to ring, answer the call, plus blind transfer, star 121. You've now sent that phone call directly to 121's voicemail box and their phone will not ring. Thank you very much for listening to and watching the CQ100 IP phone tutorial. Have a great day.